Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm BB Adrian. If it's your first time here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and you're most definitely welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys different sites you can get accommodation for your visa, your study visa from Nigeria or any country that you are in. Actually, I'm making this video because I literally have a lot of people asking me this, and it's for real, guys. It's not one of those in my DMs asking me this. It's for real. Yeah, so I have a lot of people asking me, how to get accommodation, especially to use it to apply for their visa, and in instances where their school are not providing, accommodation for them or any documents that could support them to apply for their visa. So without wasting your time, we're just going to get right into the video. First of all, before I start, mentioning any site, I want to put out a disclaimer. I do not have any affiliation with any of this sites in case anything goes wrong. I just know that this is the site that people get accommodation from. They use the site to get accommodation, whether you're in Spain or outside of Spain. Before I actually again start listing this site, I just want to tell you, it's the same process in any of these sites, the same process you're going to go through. So the thing is, you go on this site, I'm going to list the names so you guys shouldn't worry. I just want to explain first before giving you guys the names of this website or this site you can get your accommodation. First thing first, the moment you see something you're interested in, a listing you're interested in, it may be a room in a shared apartment, it may be a studio apartment, or it could even be a 2-bedroom apartment, depending on your budget and what you're looking for. The moment you see something you're interested in, you reach out to, it could be the landlord or the agent that put out that listing or the post. Reach out to them, make your intentions known, let them understand that you're a student and you're looking to come to Spain to study. They're also going to give you further information about the accommodation, how much you'll be paying for deposits, how much it's going to cost you to pay monthly, So after that, you let them know that you need a proof of accommodation to apply for your visa. This is the part where the landlord or the agent, as the case may be, would ask you for your your details, your passport number, your admission letter, and maybe some other information, just so they can insert it in the letter. They would then issue you the proof of accommodation. In the proof of accommodation, your details is there, the amount you paid is there, for the deposit, the amount you're going to be paying concurrently is there, the period that you're taking the accommodation for as well. So you would use that document and you would be able to use it to apply for your visa. But then I'll also advise, just so you don't have an issue when you come to Spain and you're trying to get your resident permit, your student resident card, because you would need an accommodation or a contract that you can register in the town hall, your accommodation. I mentioned it in one of my previous videos, which is called the empadronamiento. So you also want to ask the landlord, agent, whoever did the listing, that can you register the accommodation, can you register it when you come into Spain, as you're at the town hall, just so it doesn't stress you when you have to do your process, when you have to do the process for your resident card, if you understand what I'm saying. So in a nutshell, that's really it. They send you the letter, you take it to the embassy, and it suffices. Actually, you would use it, and then Spain, here you come. The top website, you can get you can look for accommodation as a student coming to school in Spain, or as a student even already in Spain, is Uniplaces. Uniplaces.com, www.uniplaces.com, spotahome.com. I'm sure I'm going to put it on the screen, and I'm also going to put it in the description box below. Housing Anywhere, www.housinganywhere.com. Idealista.com. Idealista has actually, like, I've gotten places. My place in Valencia was from Idealista. A friend found it for me from Idealista. The last one is Rentola. I don't know if it's Rentola or Rentola, but yeah, that one. So I'm going to mention them again for you. We have Idealista, we have Uniplaces.com, we have Spot a Home, we have Rentola, we have Housing Anywhere. Those 5 I'm sure of, because I have used them several times, and I have friends that have used them as well. This video is really, like, short and straightforward, and I hope you actually understand the process I just explained. It's not hard at all. Find what you want, reach out to the person that put out the listing, inform them that you're a student and you need it for your visa. They're gonna give you a proof of accommodation once you've paid the deposit, and try to ask them that, can you register the accommodation? Voila, that's it, you guys. You also really want to be careful so you don't get scammed. I'm not sure I can give you tips of not getting scammed, to be honest, because it's really it's really dicey, but I know that you can actually try and be smart about your interaction. From the way they interact, I'm sure you'll be able to tell if this person is trying to scam you or not. I hope you learned it, or you understand it, or you learned something from this video. But then, yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, you can ask me questions, or what you would like me to clarify or make a video about. You can drop them in the comment section below, or you can even message me on Instagram, as you guys are already doing. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching again. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.